What's up everybody, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing the G'day Decibel Reader. Now this is going to be a super versatile unit. It's really nice to have in your house. This is going to be perfect for somebody that wants to keep an eye on the decibel levels, whether it be somebody that's making too much noise near you or you want to keep your noise levels down and controlled. You can definitely do that with this unit very easily and quickly. This has a couple different functions on it that I do love. Very small and compact, fits in your hand very well. You can throw this in a drawer. You can even throw this in your pocket if you do any kind of gigs and you're going out somewhere to play some music. You can keep an eye wherever you are. So it's very compact, takes AAA batteries, and you turn it on by just a click of a button. You can actually set the minimum and the maximum, so that's really useful, and you can also do fast and slow. So this decibel reader will read very quickly and it will go up and down to get the most accurate decibel reading that it possibly can. And when you slow that down, you can see it change a little bit better and easier. Now, one of the functions that I absolutely love about this is gonna be right here. So let me do a couple tests on here. Check, check, test. You can actually see it going up and down as I'm talking. Now let me do that again. Check, check. So as you do that, you can stop it exactly where you think that it peaked so you can keep an eye on it a little bit better. So that is going to be the hold function. You can just turn it on and off very quickly and easily. And we're also going to have a nice foam speaker up here. That's going to be perfect to prevent against unwanted noise like wind. So you won't have just like air messing up the actual audio. It'll get exactly what you're looking for. Now, if you live in an apartment complex and you're trying to keep your noise down, whether it's gaming at night, playing music, or talking and hanging out with your friends, this could be an absolutely useful tool that you can have to keep an eye on your decibel level. Now, I know when I go to Airbnbs and Verbos, there's sometimes I end up at ones that have hot tubs and they have noise regulation zones at certain times at night. We're trying to keep the noise levels down. This will be perfect to actually keep an eye on that as well. This would also be a great tool if you're a car guy like me and you're trying to keep an eye out on your exhaust system. Maybe you just upgrade exhaust systems and you're changing it. Your area may only let you have certain decibel levels in exhaust systems. So this is good when you're changing it out. You can keep an eye on where you're at with your exhaust. So that is another cool feature that I do like about this. This unit also comes in blue, green, red, and orange. This would make an absolute great stocking stuffer. Add this to your Amazon cart today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.